Hello everyone, today I've got a room tour of room 1801 at Sofitel Kuala Lumpur Damansara. This is the doorbell. This is the key card. Let's go ahead and get the room tour started. Okay, so that is the back of the door with the floor plan. To the right, as you enter the room, you have the do not disturb and makeup room switches together with a slot to insert a key card for the room's power. You have a light switch right here for the wardrobe area. And speaking of the wardrobe area, here's an overview of it. Right above, we have a couple of extra pillows. On this side, we have a light hanging area. Below, place to put your luggage together with drawers and storage below. Right here, we have the laundry stuff to the left, in-room slippers to the right, the ironing board right there, a couple of bathrobes, hangers, the iron, torchlight, and another light right behind there. We have a power outlet down below. And this is the view that you get as you enter the room. Here we have quite a large mirror. And opposite the mirror, we have the entrance to the bathroom. The bathroom does have sliding doors. And to the right of the bathroom, we have the bathtub with the bath mat, towel. Right here, we have the toilet. A hook right there. Another mirror. And we have the shower area right here. It is a dual shower setup, so we have the handheld shower on the wall and the rain shower on the ceiling. Here we have all the bathroom amenities together with towels. We have body lotion right there, a bar soap, tissue paper, drawers, the bin, storage below the drawers. On that side, we have the weighing scale, towels right there, and walking out, here we have a suit hanger. Not too sure what you call it, but I believe you hang your jackets and whatnot on this item right here. So here is an overview of the bedroom, with a couple of light switches right there. Here we have the tea and coffee making stuff, coffee machine, a couple of bottles of water, power outlets right there, a couple of mirrors, another power outlet down there, and here we have the mugs and glasses. More glasses down here. And below we have the kettle and some storage. Right here we have the fridge. It is empty, so you can put your own items in there. Okay, on this bedside table we have drawers. Here we have a sleep menu with your spa products and whatnot. We have the TV remote, and right there we have a power outlet, the climate control panel, various light switches for the room, and a light right above the bedside table. There's also a light behind the headboard, and here we have the bed itself. It is a very comfortable bed. We have a sofa-like thing in front of the bed, and also in front of the bed is a flat screen LG TV. Further on, we have a bin right there, the desk area with a desk chair, a light, the in-room telephone. Here we have a couple of power outlets, the HDMI port for the TV, and a USB-A port. I believe that also connects to the TV. We have storage areas beneath this. Basically, we have storage areas down there. Here we have a table together with a sofa and a light right there. And before we go to the view, we have the left bedside table with storage beneath it, a light above, another power outlet, and more light switches for the room. And as for the view, we have the open air car park behind the hotel. And we can also see the buildings and housing areas behind the hotel. Alright, so that's it for the room tour of room 1801 at Sofitel Kuala Lumpur Damansara. Thanks for watching and goodbye.